Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year 2025 to everybody. In today's tutorial, I am showing you how to create colorful New Year animation in After Effects without using third-party plugins. So, let's dive into tutorial. Before the tutorial, please hit the like button and subscribe for more informative content. Let's import our assets, then create a new composition, 1920 by 1080, duration 10 seconds, and name it to text comp 1. Now write the Happy New Year. Now animate the text layer. So for that, open text layer, add position and opacity on it. Set the opacity to 50 and set the position to outside. Now open range, selector, take a keyframe at starting 0 and after 1 second, change it to 100. Set the ease high and ease low to 50. Then go to Effect and Preset. Apply Warp Effect on text. Warp, Settle Shell. Upper right. Click on Text Layer and create shape from text. Apply Fill Effect on Shape Layer and change the color according to your choice. Then open Shape Layer and add Repeater on it. Repeater copies 100. Then open Transform, Repeater 1. Then apply Drop Shadow position on Shape Layer 1. Opacity 100%. Set the direction 240 and distance 20. Now animate the shape layer by opacity, just like so. Here you can see nice animation. Then create another composition and set the name to text, Com2, and set the 3D render to cinema, 4D. Okay. Now write 2025. Adjust the size and alignment of text. Now convert into 3D, open geometry option and extrusion depth, 100. Now click Animate button and add side color. Change the color according to your choice. Also change the text color. Duplicate the text 4 times. Now separate each letter. Select the transparent layer. Option Center, all anchor point. Select all, hit R for rotation. Now take a keyframe on Y and Z rotation. At starting set, the X rotation to -1 and Z rotation to -180, and after 1 second, change it to 0. Now hit for scale. Take a keyframe at starting 0, and after 1 second, change it to 0 default. Now take New Point Light, adjust the position of light. Create another comp and name it to Final Comp. Create a solid layer, set and color. Now go to Effect and Preset. Apply gradient ramp effects on it. Set the color according to your choice. Now drag our vector one by one and set the positions. Drag the tree vector and resize it. Apply fill effect on it and change the color. Duplicate the tree and set it to right side. Flip horizontal. Now change the opacity of layer to 30. Now select layer and hit P for position. Create a keyframe at 1 second. And at starting, change the position of layer one by one. Now randomize the layers. Here is nice animation. Select all keyframe and easy ease them and set the graph, just like so. Now apply wiggle expression in all layers. Now drag our New Year text layer on top. Adjust the size and position of text. Now drag our Billboard video clip. Adjust the size and position. Now animate the position. So for that, at starting, change the position to outside and after few frame, set it to the frame. Select the second keyframe and easy ease. Adjust the keyframe. Now drag our 2025 text comp and adjust the size and position. Also adjust the layer. Apply wiggle expression on 2025 text layer. Now add some confetti. So for that, create a solid layer. Then go to Effects and Preset. Apply CC Particle, World Effect on it. Open Particles and set the line to Quad. Polygon. Open Producer, set the radius of X and Y. Adjust the layer position. Open Physics, set the gravity to 0.1. In the floor, set the bounce option, adjust the bounciness. So, let's wrap up. Our animation is ready. Hope you find the tutorial helpful. Hit the like button and subscribe. May your 2025 sparkle with moments of success, love, and joy. Happy New Year again.